Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to strip permanent hair dye off of your hair and turn it back to blonde. So the things you'll need is vitamin C. You're also going to need some baking soda. And then lastly, you're going to need some dandruff shampoo. You can either use baking soda with the dandruff shampoo or the vitamin C with the dandruff shampoo. But I find out using the baking soda works out best. So you're going to need to crush up the vitamin C because you need it to be like powdery. And then you're going to add some baking soda, and then I'm going to add dandruff shampoo. So I kind of messed up here using this little ass bowl. So if you're gonna do this, use a bigger bowl because it started to explode, as you can see. But it's fine. You can still add it on your hair, and it's gonna work out fine. I later on only used the baking soda and the dandruff shampoo together, and it worked out better, so you don't really need the vitamin C. So this is how the hair is looking like before I decided to wash the hair. I decided to do this process twice just to get inside the roots, because after I washed it, the roots was kind of purplish, and this is the final result, and it came out really, really nice. I'm gonna end up dyeing the hair orange, so stay tuned for that.
Don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid.